Hello, hello, and Happy New Year to all of my past clients and my family and friends here in my email list. I wanted to make a video specific for you just to kind of announce some upcoming things that I have planned for you guys specifically. So if you guys have bought or sold a house with me in the past, I'm going to be doing a new value add this year where the month of your home anniversary, I'm actually going to send out a custom property evaluation report specific for your home. So not just a neighborhood in general, not just a Zillow's estimate, but specific to your home because I remember what it looked and felt like inside. And so I can give you a really good analysis of how it's changed since you've owned it. It's been 1 to 2 years. So how has your value changed, right? And if you've even been thinking about selling, we can kind of run that net sheet of what the scenario would look like if you plan to sell. And then secondly, I just want to remind you guys as a resource to you, like our relationship does not end after we close and get keys. I'm actually here for the lifetime of your real estate journey. And so whether you need a handyman or you need a plumber, if you need help with taxes, if you have questions about financing or doing a HELOC or a refi, use me. Like that is what I'm here for. This is what I do all day, every day as a career. And so I have a pocketbook of professionals ready to go. You just have to reach out and ask. And then for my business owner clients, so if you are an entrepreneur and you're trying to crush business or you're starting a business and you want to work together, like let's do it. But I need to know what your business is, right? So remind me, reach out and just say, hey, Marina, I'm starting this new thing, or I have this side business, maybe you didn't know. I would love to cross promote in our networks, and maybe that's promoting you here on this email list, making sure that we're sharing our audiences and we're really collaborating because that's really my sweet spot. I love doing this. And I love being the super connector in our community, just to say like, hey, so-and-so is a photographer and my other client needs family photos, like let's match you together. And I'm a little matchmaker. And it's so much fun to keep it all within our people that we know and we love and we trust. And then on the last note, so if you guys didn't know, previous to real estate, I spent 10 years as a luxury wedding planner. So it is engagement season. Congratulations to anybody who said yes over the holidays. Pretty much from November till February, it's full-on engagement season for those in the event industry. But if you guys have gotten engaged or you're planning parties and you want to know who's the best vendors to use, what does it look like to budget for these kinds of things, I'm always happy to be a resource. I know the ins and outs of the Hawaii industry here, so I'm always happy to connect you guys with the tools you need to succeed. But I just wanted to say there's so many ways we can still be friends and be in touch. Don't be a stranger. You guys have my cell phone. Text me anytime. And I wish you the happiest of New Year's. This year is going to be our best one yet. I can feel it. And I'm excited to keep connecting with you. Have a great one. Bye.